There's two sides to everything, regardless of what it is.
It shows that you can form a connection in just 2 dinners.
I'm a huge believer in people getting into smaller groups on a more intimate level, and nothing does that better than sitting at a table and eating.
Learning new things from different cultures without being berated or attacked.
If people approach these difficult discussions with the right perspective and the right heart, real dialogue can occur, that real change can occur.
I see leaders in the community coming together. I see churches coming together.
People who don't understand each other's cultures will never, ever be able to understand each other's realities.
I think that from now on, the conversations at my table are going to be a little different.
If it spreads, it could change the world.
And the only way to change the world is to never give up on the world.